road tripping time in the car. The Teeps fam is coming at you again from roadside. So we are in Scotland discovering, so whether you're sitting at home on your couch and you just want to see what it's like out in the great wide world, or if you're planning a trip for a group yourself and you would like some tips and tricks, maybe some crystal, come along with us. We'll show you how we think of the itinerary we have planned here in Scotland. We've taken a short drive out of Edinburgh, and after enjoying a beautiful day yesterday, had some time in the Prince's Gardens, enjoyed a nap, had a stroll about town, and then walked over to the the Great Royal Yacht Britannia last night. We were horrible and didn't film any of it, but today we got out. We actually packed up from our accommodations in Edinburgh, and we are staying in Stirling tonight. So just outside of Stirling is Doune Castle. So a couple of reasons why I am stupidly excited to be here. It is super highly rated. If you are a fan of Outlander, tons of filming is done here, and you will definitely recognize it. So I'm pretty excited about that. But going further back into my nerddom, this is also used in the film Monty Python and the Holy Grail. So we have been making our hands like coconuts the whole way up. There is free parking, there's a discount with the English Heritage Pass, so this is a great stop for the family. You do get these free audio guides, you just plug in a number, it tells you all about it. There's like the the original narrator of the Monty Python does a lot of the voiceover, and then Jamie Fraser from Outlander does some as well. So it's pretty fun, we're really excited, and obviously the kids are already having fun and quoting Monty Python pretty much non-stop. It's fun to learn through the audio guide what each room is used for. It's also great because this is in such excellent state of repair that you can actually climb up all the towers and everything. So we're really enjoying it. We did just watch Monty Python, so there's a lot of really funny things. Like, stay fresh on that before you come. It's pretty fun. Did you guys like that castle tour?
Yeah, I loved all the Monty Python references.
The audio guide is actually really funny. Tons of little jokes and stuff. Here's the famous taunting claw. We did learn you can, there are not outrageous accents. We all popped into the little gift shop. They do sell coconuts, so if you need some while you prance about or ride the castle. And now we are onto a little grass path just to walk around the outside of it. But we've really enjoyed. Dune Castle is an excellent stop. You'll see it on a lot of tours for different movies. Outlander tours are super popular right now, but we're a little bit nerdier than that. Stop number 2, we made it to the Stirling Art Gallery, the Stirling Smith. It's very much a small town gallery. There are some really cool works of art. There is a fun little area for the kids where they can play dress up and do a bit of coloring, so you can see. It's going to take me a minute to pull that one away from it. But a nice little stop, and then we're actually going to grab lunch here. They seem to have a pretty cute little cafe. So grab some lunch and then make up the rest of our plans for the day in Stirling. With a distinct change in weather for the day, look at the beautiful views. We are approaching Stirling Castle. So you will see wherever this gate is here, there's this little like staircase, and it will go down to a road where you can park for free at the castle. Otherwise, there is a car park here. It's £4 to park. That's not too bad, but it's a short little walk past the cemetery. So we really enjoyed it. We'll show you. So you see that red car down there, and that's the free parking, but cool views of the cemetery, and this is an absolutely stunning.
There is over there that you can do a walk around too. It's the city as well, so. Yeah,
so there is a lot of outdoor space here in Stirling, and you could spend, I think, days walking all the different trails and everything that they have. So kind of exciting.
Today we're experiencing typical UK weather where can't see much, it's raining.
Can't see much. But over here is the William Wallace Monument.
I think he went by Bill, if I remember
Bill.
right. Old Bill Wallace.
You can go up in that monument. You can also walk the 246 stairs up to the top if you like. Sometimes I'm tempted to do things like that, make the kids go with us. They could do it. begrudgingly. They still could. Anyway, good times. Now we're gonna go check out Stirling Castle. So we're in through the castle gate here. You can buy tickets online. It is encouraged because they do have limited entries to keep things going. And we have the English Heritage Pass, so you get a half price, which is fantastic. So we only had to pay £33.25 for the whole family instead of paying, it would have been that just for the 2 adults. So basically the kids got in for free since we have English Heritage. Yay! So there is an audio guide that you can listen to, but you do have to pay for the audio guide. We opted not to do that because we're just going to read all these lovely little plaques instead.
That's
Made them very afraid of what? Why was this area built?
To protect from the Jacobites.
Jacobites. Scotland's gotta love Outlander coming out because now I bet you there's a whole group of people who know who that is only because of the show. So, winning. So we've just entered into the main area. We're going to head into the apartments. Always do very good at family events, which we really appreciate. So one of the things they have here is like a little game thing you play. It tells you there's a wooden mouse hiding in each of the rooms that you can look for, and there's like different interactive activities like the music room, things like that. So it's a pretty fun little start here. So down this first hallway in the apartments is where the musicians, the painter, the tailor, all of those live who would work here in the castle. So each room has like an interactive display. So it talks about how they made the paint, things like that. It's pretty cool in here. What are you gonna look for in every room? There's a mouse hiding in every room, a wooden one. It's like a treasure hunt. What you wearing? That looks like a queen robe. Did you guys?
I think calling you brown and crayon.
Floppy hat.
No, just this. You would be a miss. You'd just be a collar.
So what did we learn in here?
About scent and fabrics. And I wanna look at it.
In the tailor shop. We're having a lot of fun playing dress up
Wait, I gotta say something.
and learning about what the queen would smell like.
If you've seen Monty Python, this will be familiar. Bring out your head. Go!
This is cool.
Yes. As we exit after seeing all of the carvings there, we come through and see this place is very unique for the exterior carvings. Why does it matter that it's a hippo? Oh, because your hippo sucks.
I just tore my leg.
They would have been painted and possibly gilded.
And
Do you know what it means that they were gilded?
No.
It had gold on them.
Gold. Hey, look, she has a giant face shield on her.
His laughy face is awesome.
Yeah,
They've recreated the kitchens. There are lots of videos you can watch to help inform your visit. They're quite fun.
She had a seizure.
We've had a really good time wandering. There are free tours here. So when you come in, you just find a little meeting spot right here and wait for the tours to start. They're very informative. We decided to go it alone because I was ill-informed and our timing was a little bit off anyway. So anyway, always bring a rain jacket or an umbrella with you when you're in Scotland. Enjoy the heck out of this lovely, lovely castle.
Oh, if you drink alcohol, they have a really cool bottle holder that's a knight, and he sits on top of your bottle, like it goes inside his body, and it's like knight armor, and then you just pop it off and drink it, and it's a cool alcohol hider.
Okay, so we're gonna do a gin distillery tour, tasting.
Excited. All rained on.
Okay, taste gin.
I like gin.
Gin.
Gin. It's not for me, gin.
Anyway, it's a cool little place. What's it called? Stirling Gin in Stirling Distillery in Stirling, Scotland. It's very small, quaint, and making local gin. The first licensed distillery of Stirling. So let's get some drinks going. Okay, so she came and she gave us loads of gin and a cocktail, and now we're gonna figure out how to do the rest. Devil's Pulpit.
Today we decided on our way to
Devil's Pulpit.
We are exploring, it's called the Devil's Pulpit, also known as Vintage Glen, and it is a little bit of a hazardous area, and it has been raining, so we'll check it out. It's pretty muddy today, but the views are supposed to be pretty spectacular, so hopefully we get this. So, on we go. It is, we almost canceled this part of today's adventure because everything's kind of weather dependent, and it's been kind of wet.
But if you can't
Scotland
because it's wet
summer
in Scotland, wouldn't that mean you never do anything?
Maybe. We missed last year's heat wave here, so maybe that gave us a false sense of security as we planned. So, anyway, we are watching the mud. It's not too bad yet, but gonna go have ourselves a little adventure here in Scotland today.
I would like to remember how he said we weren't gonna take that trail. Looks like we're kind of forced.
No, there's a trail where Dad is. Okay, it's a very, very short walk. The bridge we crossed is just right there. But look how beautiful this is.
Careful. It looks like Zion.
It really does.
It's sandstone, did you read that? Yeah, it's sandstone.
See as it winds through here.
Can we go to the other side and get down further, I wonder?
I don't know. So it's only a, a 2-minute little walk off the parking area on the side of the road, and it's a seriously gorgeous payoff. It's really cool to see down in there.
Right onto it.
Yeah, and the bridge is right above it. It is definitely not a place I would bring younger children than ours because it is very steep with drop-offs and it's a little sketchy, so I'm gonna get to higher ground. And the best parts of road tripping through Scotland is just being kind of on our own timetable and being able to stop where we want. So even though it's cold, we still had to get ice cream because it's mid.
Well, I can
from their house.
It's local, yeah. So we saw a sign that said like a farm shop. Always you just stop when you see that, you know. So the ice cream is delicious. You get a few little groceries and stuff. We have entered into the Loch Lomond and Trossachs National Park area. And so it is gorgeous around here. And we are skipping the lake today, even though it's our original plans, because you see the weather, it's cold. And then we'll try to come back through this way after and eat ice cream on the way. But the farm stop comes with these cute little buddies. Our first view of the Highland cows. Hopefully the next ones we'll be able to pet because the kids are cool too.